My name is Nono. I am the PR specialist of Peace Parks based in Maputo. We are just arriving in Banhine National Park. I'm here with Pieter, and we are here to film the landscape of Banhine National Parks after the rainy season. So come with us.
A straightforward brief in theory turns out to be much more complicated in practice for filmmaker Pieter Uys and PR specialist Nuno Francisco. The arrival of the 7-year flood sees the plains of Banhine National Park transformed into vast lagoons and marshes, matted with an abundance of aquatic plants.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
As Pieter and Nuno navigate this watery world with Banhine Operations Manager Willem, plant roots tangle around their outboard propeller, bringing filming plans to an abrupt halt.
Lekker stuck.
Yeah.
Stuck in the tall grass, eh?
And there is no other entrance here. No, this is not gonna work.
No. You're gonna have to maybe turn around.
Yeah.
Not to be beaten, Willem improvises a solution to pull the boat out of trouble.
Yes, I hear you. Strong like lion. It's Chuck Norris stunt.
Peace Parks' seasoned filmmakers know that challenges like this come with the territory. When working with nature, one learns a lot of patience. Clear of the worst of it, the team get the motor going again and head for home. It is rewarding when the crew manages to capture Banhine's remarkable landscape.